Hi everyone! We have 2 weekends left to the ski season. A reminder that we are open every day until April 21st, so now is the time to come and enjoy it. Winter was like at the beginning of the week. We received 14 centimeters of fresh snow on a Tuesday, so this allows us to still have close to 70% of our trails still open on the south, north and soleil side with great snow coverage. Spring and its warmer temperatures will be back for the weekend to offer you optimal spring skiing conditions. Plus, with the changing weather and the more chilly mornings, we suggest you dress in layers so you can stay comfortable and extend your day on the slopes. And don't forget that you have until April 17 to get your hands on the best prices of the year on a Tonic and Icon passes for the 25-26 ski season. Plus, all new pass holders can ski now and enjoy the rest of the season. So head to the Southside base this Saturday for the iconic Caribou Cup Pond Skim. Whether you'll be a participant or simply enjoy the show, the fun will last all afternoon. On the north side is the El Niño El Rigleto weekend on Saturday and Sunday. We'll have a specially designed touring park set up for the occasion. So the Saturday will be for snowboarders and the Sunday for skiers. You can now register your kids age 12 and under for the event. Finally, the après-ski musical atmosphere continues in the village and on the north side, so you can soak up the sun and have fun with friends or family. So don't store your skis or snowboard just yet. See you on the slopes this weekend.